Donna. There's a lot of heartbreak to go around in this city today, and the church is just right behind me. Mother Emanuel, you can hear shouting around me. I should say that where I'm standing right now, there have been people walking by, grieving, mourning, talking about their feelings and how, yes, angry they are that something like this happened here, but also thanking the media and thanking...
Have all of them in a row. And, you know, we messaged about this a little bit this week. So we have to stop demonizing people and realize the biggest terror threat in this country is white men, most of them radicalized to the right. And we have to start doing something about them. There is no travel ban on them. There is no ban on, you know, they had the Muslim ban. There is no white guy ban.
It ain't white boy day, is it?
Oh, man, it ain't white boy day.